Hi, welcome to Editing with Adobe Premiere Pro. My name is Dylan Roth. I'm a filmmaker based out of New York City, and I've been producing videos since I was 15. If you're interested in becoming a YouTuber and producing content that will engage your audience, video editing is where most of your creative magic will come to life. While recording your footage is crucial, your video needs to look attractive to viewers. It's much more difficult to get views or subscribers without a video that shows proper editing skills. In this full 10-hour course, we'll be using Adobe Premiere Pro CC to learn the basics of editing. We'll be using a sample video titled Day in the Park to learn clip organization, using the timeline, transitions, as well as audio effects. It gives me great pleasure to show you the ins and outs of Adobe Premiere Pro. This is a great course if you're just starting out in the world of filmmaking and looking to get your feet wet with adding some magic to your videos. So sign up today and begin your journey as a professional editor.